Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here again with my daily predictions and analysis for US30 and US100. Let's see what lies ahead for the day. Yesterday again it was a wonderful day. Till now markets are trading as per the weekly analysis. What I had shared are very bullish right now, and US100 at 15,600 plus levels already 0.6% up, and US30 at 35,855. Now what lies ahead for the day? We are going to look at it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment friends. Don't forget to watch till the end. There are many nuggets which you can take it from the analysis, and definitely it will help you in making better decisions throughout your day. So let's start with Tech 100 first. Tech 100 trading at 15,600 plus levels, close to 15,600. And if you look at the chart, this is a 4-hour chart of Tech 100. There is a support available at 15,580 now. And if you look at the rally, you look at the charts here, you can find that definitely this candle could be a reversal candle if it drops below 15,580. If the market drops below 15,580, then yes, we will be looking forward to somewhere here at 15,550. It might try to hit 15,550. Else, if it is not a reversal candle, possibly this is a consolidation, then it is going to rise high, and possibly we will be looking at somewhere, it is going to be stronger bullish candle, and we might be looking at somewhere at a 15,700, close to 15,700 levels. Exact numbers I am going to give you, but looking at the charts here, there are many big voids available, and it is a clear cut bullish channel right now. You can see the price action here. There is a liquidity void which I can think that possibly it is going to fill sometime in near future. But if you look at the charts, so right now it is forming a cusp, and if it breaks through this 15,625 now, definitely it is a time to go long, and you can expect it to hit at least 15,650, and then if it breaks that, 15,700 is also achievable. So looking at, and 15,580 is a good support. If it breaks 15,580, you can go short and you can expect 15,550 levels. So this is on a 4-hour chart, and yes, if it breaks this, there's a strong void which is there. Possibly it might try to achieve sometime, but not today. And look at the 3-hour charts. The 3-hour candle is just, 4-hour candle is also just started, 3-hour candle is also just started. If you look at the 3-hour chart now, so it is trying to come back down towards this level at 15,580 possibly, which might give it a support, or else because it is, there is a higher high available, it might try to hit 15,640 also. So there is a possibility that 15,580 to 640, we should try to refrain from taking active trades or a positional trade between these levels. However, beyond this, definitely it is going to rise strongly. Also, this candle you can see is still trading in an upward trending channel. So yes, there is bullishness, inherent bullishness. Looking at the 2-hour chart, we can find that 2-hour charts is kind of narrowing here, and hence a breakout candle has to be there. So once it breaks out below now 15,590 and 15,610 levels, rather I will say yes, 15,610 levels, so any breakout out of this zone definitely will give you a stronger bullish move. Also looking at the ascent, here, see, this is upward, this is an upward trending channel, and hence 15,620.25, that is what I had said, on a 2-hour chart appears 15,620.25. If it breaks, definitely it is a good to go long for 15,645, and then towards 15,680 and 700 also. So we'll be looking forward to this break. Wherever and whenever it breaks, it is a good time to go long or short accordingly. Looking at an hourly chart, on an hourly chart you can find that, see how beautifully this 15,680 has 15,580 has given it a support. At the same time, it was a rising wedge. Now this is a breakout candle. After that, it is trying to consolidate, trying to trade in this. Now this is again trying to break out from here. Once it crosses pass by this level at 15,620, possibly we are going to go long, and we will be looking at higher levels at 15,645. So now let's have a look at the daily charts. On a daily chart, you can definitely see this is kind of consolidation candles which we have seen for a few days on US100, and this is a breakout candle. Yesterday it has shown. Now it has to follow with a second green candle, and hence I find 15550 levels hard to break today. If 15550 is taken, then only it can be expected that it might drop towards 15500 as a support, and below that this level at 15420 will come into picture. I don't think that will happen, and I think at least yesterday it was almost, if you look at the size of the candle, see, it has started somewhere here at 15340 and closed here at somewhere 15540, 200 points of range. So at least 15640, 50, and then maybe 15700, and then it will try to come back towards 15650, 660 levels towards the close to close the day in this fashion, and hence a possible bullish candle is in formation. I don't think that it will drop any, it is going to drop hard today. So I don't think so that will happen. So yes, possibly a bullish day. Now let's have a look at the indicators here. If you look at the indicators trading on the upward side of the Bollinger Bands, if you look at the moving averages are lying well below right now at 15100, 200 and levels, and hence quite a bullish channel it is formed, quite a bullish move from US100. You can see the detrended price oscillator is also in a buy zone, and the stochastic was comfortable. See, the 4 days of consolidation has got it in a moderate level, now trying to go back again in a overbought position, and hence we might look forward to at least 15650 plus levels we might be looking forward to. So MACD lines are on a buy zone, and RSI is comfortable but might enter into overbought position. See, if you look at the 4-hour charts on this, on the 4-hour charts you will find that it is trading in the upward zone of the Bollinger Bands, and so on the 4-hour charts 15630 levels may provide a little resistance, and 15580 may provide a support. Then below that it will try to break below 15500 also. If it breaks below 15550, then stochastic on a 4-hour charts in overbought. So yes, it is overbought, and possibly we might look forward to a drop too. It can be done. It's on a buy side on a 4-hour chart. RSI on a 4-hour chart is overbought, but these can be sustained anytime, and markets do not look for such and can sustain it for a prolonged duration. Look at the RSI again on a 3-hour charts, overbought. MACD lines are overbought, stochastic overbought, everything is overbought, but markets should say that whether they are overbought or not. Any drop below 15580 should take it towards 155 here at this level, 15555, and then once 15555 is, see, 15520, 15555, these are the two levels. Below that it will try to go and hit 15470. So these are markets, anything is possible. Don't go with a strong bias that it cannot happen or it is going to happen. So anything and everything is possible. And look at the 2-hour chart, similar formation. Considering this, let me come back to the levels directly. If you look at the levels so on the downside 15580 you have to look. Any breakdown below 15580 will take it towards 15550, and then towards 15520. Below that it will be 15470. I think housing data is pending due today. I don't know what impact it could create on this. Let's have a look at the markets move once the data is released. However, once till the time it is above 15580, my end, please don't trade between 15625 levels and 15580 levels. These two levels you should not try to take a position. Beyond 15625, the next target is 15645, and let me correct a bit here. If you look at this is, let's make this 15630, and this 5 points addition, this 50 points you should not trade. Beyond 15630 you can look forward to 15670 and 15710. So anything and everything is possible. Don't trade between these two levels. In fact, till 15550 you can remain long, and you can expect it to again head towards 15630 and 670 levels. So yes, below 15550 you can go short for 15520. So this is all for Nasdaq 100. Let's move towards US30 now. So let's have a look at the 4-hour chart for US30. And if you look at the US30 charts, see, can you see the similarity between the charts? Two candles, then a kind of doji candle, then two bullish candle, kind of doji candle, a breakout candle, then try to consolidate, again a breakout candle, then try to consolidate. So it is trying to form a pattern, but it is still in an upward trending channel. If you look at it, it is very much trading in a beautiful upward trending channel, strongly bullish. The high right now for this channel is at around 35,910, and the low is at 35,800. Any breakout below 35,800 will take it towards this level. First it will come into 35,755, and then 700 will come into picture. So you have to watch closely and carefully how it behaves at particular levels. Look at the 3-hour charts, and yes, you have to also see if it goes beyond this level at 35,880. Once the candle goes green here at 35,880, you can go long and expect 35,910, another 30 points you can add. Also you have to see the size of the candle here, almost 90 points, and if it rises past 80, then possibly we might look at 930 levels also. So this is another probability. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts you can find that similar formation. You can find the type of candle and symmetry it is trying to form. Also you have to see the channel it is trying to honor, and hence 35,900 to 35,800 a possible consolidation, and then below 35,800 we'll be looking forward to this zone at 35,755, and below that it will try to come back to 35,700. So looking at a 2-hour chart, similar formation, but you have to see how it behaves here, and see this higher high, and then almost at par but lower low. So hence any breakout out of this will definitely be a strong indication which direction it is going to take. Mostly it might be a bullish channel. Look at the hourly chart, it is trying to consolidate here. And now come back to the daily charts. Look at the daily charts. On the daily charts you can find this is the kind of consolidation in which it was going through. 3 days not real movement, then a breakout candle from 35,600 to 35, almost 780 it did, and from now after closing at around 35,750, 760 levels, or it might try to give another 150 points which might take it towards 35,900. So possibility that 35,900 can be done today, and it might try to hit 35,900. Now let's have a look at the indicators here on the daily charts. On the daily charts you can find that there is a resistance available at 35,930 levels, and a support available at around 35,820, 830 levels, and hence any breakdown below this will be a good indication for another 20-30 points. I don't find much of a movement today, but these are markets, anything is possible. The detrended price oscillator is in buy zone. The stochastic is again trading in a overbought position here. If you look at, yes, this is overbought. MACD lines are in a buy zone, and RSI trying to enter into an overbought position again on the daily charts. And if you look at the indicators on the 4-hour chart, similarly everything is overbought. If you look at a stochastic or RSI or MACD lines, everything is in overbought position right now, and hence maybe a little cooling. If it drops, it might try to cool a little towards 35,760 can be achieved, but beyond that I don't think so that it's going to happen. And looking at the 4-hour charts, it might try to find a support at 35,780 as well. So now considering this, let me come back to the levels directly. Let me give you the levels so that you can trade accordingly. So the first number which you should look at is 35,820. Let me write it down clearly. 35,820 is the number you should look for going short. Beyond that, see, the movement is less and hence the support levels are also placed very nearby 791. After that 35,760 will come into picture. Possibly if it tries to act wild, it might at max hit 35,760, else it might try to continue act in a buy zone and it will try to hit 35,870 and 35,910. So these two numbers are very much possible, 35,760 to 35,910. And yes, next number beyond this is 35,930, very close. After that, yes, the beautiful 36K will come into picture. The beauty of such numbers, the strong numbers, the levels such as 35,500, 36,000, 35,000, they attract, and the markets, the candles, the charts try to go close to it as soon as possible. And the behavior there, if it doesn't touch there, then definitely there is a resistance, there is a bearishness in the market which try to take it, pull it back again. But if it goes past this level, I think probably it will hit 36,000 also. And hence, however, I think it should trade between 35,760 to 35,910, 930 levels. So this is all from my side on US30 and US100. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, friends. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Also, the 6th batch of mentorship session is starting on the 8th of November. You can reach out to me on Telegram. You can reach out to me via email. Definitely, these sessions will help you become an independent and professional trader. And we are there to support. In fact, beyond the training also, we will be there to support you throughout and help you become a better trader. So thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.